Hey everybody, it's Paul Ayo. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my top secrets. This is my pepper jelly stuffed brie. I bring this to all kinds of parties. It is always a hit and it is so simple. And Elise is going to help me do it today.
Hi.
Alright, so we're going to start with puff pastry. Now you can get this at pretty much any grocery store. It's usually in the frozen section, near the pie section and everything. I know that's where I get it in Nunu's. So I'm going to take these papers out. You don't need those. So you're gonna flatten it out. You can roll this out to make it wider or whatnot, but kind of like having as much of it as I possibly can. So we're gonna go ahead and use this just like this. If you do decide to roll it out, you're gonna need some flour so that you can use it to keep it from sticking to your cutting surface or your countertop or whatever. So we already have this. We're gonna take our brie. We're gonna move this over to the side because we're actually going to put the pepper jelly on top. Alright, today I'm going to be using Louisiana Sweets Cranberry Pepper Jelly. That's one of your favorites, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yep. So we're going to use that. You don't need a whole lot of it, but you want to make sure that you get enough to go across the top no matter what kind you use. You can use any kind. Blueberry, blackberry, boysenberry. If you know where to get that, give me some. I need some too. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put this on top. And it's really this simple. Put this on top. Whoop, spilled a little. After that, what we're going to do, we're going to take the puff pastry, and I'm actually going to lay this on top and then turn it over because you're going to want to fold the undersides underneath. Alright, now that we have it all wrapped up, you can keep the extra stuff if you want, but you don't have to. That is what is really great about this recipe. Of course, we're going to use some type of fat. I'm using butter today. You can take this butter and spread it across the top. This is going to help it brown and become absolutely beautiful whenever you go to serve it. So we're going to get this butter all the way around on the sides and everything. Then we're going to go ahead and put this into the oven at 425 degrees.
I have a question.
What question do you have, Elise?
Can you eat the paper on that stuff?
Okay, what Elise just asked is about the rind because the outside is very white and it does look like paper. And some people would say, no, you can't eat that, you got to cut that off. In all actuality, yes, you can eat it. If you don't want to, you can very simply cut the outside off. But trust me, it is 100% safe to eat. So, we're going to put this in the oven now. Alright, so the brie is baked up inside and it looks absolutely beautiful. But you need to take this to the next level. Just like Elise, in between our videos, had to go and take a shower to make herself clean, and she's pretty. So after that, we need to do something to this to take it to the next level. So what I did, I took just a little bit of the pepper jelly, and we're going to take that and we're going to spread it on top, just to kind of basically give it a glaze. And it's going to make it look beautiful and going to be so much more presentable. And we're going to brush this around. All right, so that is our baked brie. It's so amazing. And we're ready to eat it. You ready to eat it?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. Let's get this. Let's get in. Right, so here's our holiday special appetizer. It's so delicious. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Mmm.
Thank you so much for watching.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Paul Ayo Food. We'll see you later.